So, good morning students. Welcome back to the online class. In this video, we are going to revise the Unit 2 towards history. History means to learn about the past. In this lesson, we are going to learn Stone Age, nature of human evaluation, nomadic life, types of Stone Age, stone wheels, pottery, agriculture, Chalcolithic Age, Iron Age, and archaeological excavation. The first topic is Stone Age. The Stone Age is the period in which the stones were used as weapons. Nature of human evaluation. The early humans lived in jungles along with the animals. They used the stone tools to protect themselves from the wild animals. The most important thing, they ate everything raw including flesh. They did not know the use of fire in the beginning. At first, dog was their good companion. Wild animals ran away when dogs barked. So dog was the first pet animal of early humans. They took it wherever they went. Later they started rearing cattle and the dog was very useful to them. They observed some grains growing along the riverside. They ate and found them very tasty. They observed the scattered grains were eaten up by the birds. They were the keen observers. They found the grains was grow with the help of sunshine and rainfall. Thus they learned the art of cultivation. Humans noticed the forest fire. At first, they were afraid of the fire. They found some animals died due to the fire. They ate the flesh of the burnt animals. It tasted good. They also observed the spark came out by the scratching of two stones together. The early humans used the torches to find the path at night. Nomadic life. Early humans did not know to grow the crops. They wandered in all the landscape in search of food. They ate whatever they got and drank the water from the natural sources. This kind of life was called nomadic life. They wore the skins of animals, leaves, and barks of trees to cover their body. They lived in caves and holes of a big trees. The stones were sharpened as tools by them. They made it with the help of other stones. The sharp tools were used to hunt animals and tear their flesh. A type of stone called flintstone was used to produce the fire. They draw the paintings of what they saw around them on the walls of the caves where they lived. New Stone Age or Neolithic Age. They used the bones, horns, stones, skin, branches of trees, and sticks as their tools and weapons. This stage of development in history was called New Stone Age. Stone Age is classified into three types. They are Paleolithic Age. Paleo means old. In this age, the early humans invented the stone tools. Mesolithic Age. Meso means middle. In this age, the early humans used the tools, bow and arrow to hunt the animals. Neolithic Age. Neo means new. In this age, the early humans started the farming. Stone wheels. When the stones rolled from the mountains, they acquired a round shape. Human observed, and thus the wheel was invented. In the beginning, it was made up of stone and later by the wood. The wheel is the first scientific invention of man. Pottery. Pottery was also one of the greatest inventions by the man. The baked pot was strong and looked beautiful. The Stone Age people made all the household artifacts by themselves. Artifacts mean articles made by humans. The stone houses were built in the New Stone Age. The roofs of these houses were attached with the sticks and husks. After several inventions, humans started to live in a settled life. Agriculture. Agriculture was an important activity in the history of humans. They started cultivating crops. They sowed the seeds and harvested the crops. They found it convenient to live along the river as the crops grow well. They were the burial pots called urns, in which the dead bodies were placed and buried under the ground. Chalcolithic Age. At the end of the New Stone Age, copper was invented. In this age, both stone and copper were used. This period was called Chalcolithic Age. Bronze was produced when copper, zinc, and tin were mixed together. The period when the people made tools from bronze was called Bronze Age. Iron Age. After this, humans discovered iron and started using the iron tools and weapons. This age was called Iron Age. In this age, household articles and agricultural tools were made up of iron. Archaeological excavations. Coins, potsherds, metal objects, and so on are dug out from the archaeological sites. Such objects are preserved in museum. Museum is a place where the archaeological objects are preserved, which were used by our ancestors. These give the information about the lives of ancient people. In Tamil Nadu, Adichanallur, Arikamedu, and Keeladai are the such sites where the objects used by the people of the past are excavated. Still, the research is going on these sites. Children, complete the book exercise in your book and write the classwork materials in your classwork note. Thank you, children.